All right, you remember the Wells Fargo building in Bedford? Well, this building was totally gutted, and there's now businesses in it. But the question remains, is the elevator original? There it is.
What?
Go ahead and press the button.
The non-ADA elevator.
So in spite this building being totally gutted and redone, they kept this.
I think the only thing we're missing is that elevator sign up there.
I will say this elevator runs amazing. Oh wow, look at that. All right, send her up to 3.
Definitely not a snap cab.
Let's listen to it. Set it down the Y.
That's pretty epic. Door close button marks.
Again, they just kind of painted over it, so.
Still sounds epic.
They tried.
They tried.
This is still original.
I mean, they could have done what they did in the Alamo garage.
I think a snap cab probably would have been better here. But still, hey, at least it's still here.
It's still here.
And let's see, do we have a bumper or do we have the sensor now? Up sensor. All right, so that'll be it. Oh, the video's over, but it doesn't have to be. You can always watch more, and you know what to do. And don't forget to subscribe and light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.